In this tutorial, I will show you how to install the 3D compass and Bluetooth adapter. First, you will want to loosen the hand screws at the bottom of the Lawnbott. There is one on each side. Next, open the top cover to access the battery and mainboard compartments. Next, you will want to remove the screws from the battery. Next, move the battery forward so it's out of the way. Take note that the cable is connected to the box and to the mainboard. Be careful when removing the mainboard. You will want to place a non-conductive surface in the back of the mainboard. I used an old mouse pad. For this project, you will need to remove the power from the mainboard. The power connectors are located at the bottom left-hand side of the mainboard. Next, you will want to install the 3D compass. It installs at the top of the bot with a few screws. Next, you will want to install the cable for the 3D compass. Route the other end of the wire down to the secondary board. You'll notice it says compass for this slot. These connectors are keyed. They can only go in one way, so don't force it. This goes into the compass slot. Next, we'll be installing the Bluetooth adapter. The Bluetooth adapter installs in the serial port. All you do is just press it on. Now all is left to do is to reconnect the power. Just remember, red is positive, black is negative. Negative is at the bottom of the board. Now you can power up your bot and see if it detects the compass. You'll notice the letter C at the end of the first line. This means the compass has been successfully installed.